Hi everyone, with me today I have this absolutely beautiful candle warmer lamp, and first off it has no open flame, so it's perfect for homes with pets or kids. It works by melting your candle from the top using the warming light inside, which means no smoke, no soot, and no worrying about blowing it out. What I really love is the adjustable height feature. You can raise or lower the lamp depending on the size of your candle jar, and it works for everything from small tiny candles to those 3 wick big candles. And the locking mechanism makes adjusting super easy. You also get 4 brightness levels so you can control how strong your candle smells. So from a soft cozy glow all the way to a full scent experience. And there's even a 2, 4, or 8 hour timer. The design is so stunning, it even looks like a soft pinkish flower and it adds the prettiest glow to my space. I've been using it nonstop in my bedroom and it makes the whole space feel even warm and cozier. So if you love candles like I do but want a smarter way to enjoy them, grab this on Amazon and let your home bloom with scent and style.